In the early 20th century, environmental visionaries donated the land that would establish Acadia as the first national park east of the Mississippi. Today, the park includes swaths of protected areas on Mount Desert Island and on the Schoodic Peninsula. Polished by ancient glaciers, mountains meet the sea in a sublime mixture of natural beauty. Since 2003, Acadia has hosted Bio Blitzes to document the biodiversity of the park.
These 24-hour species inventories begin here in the Moore Auditorium on the Schoodic Education and Research Center campus. Biologists explain how each species contributes to life in the park. They explain to citizen scientists the sampling protocols, how to prepare and use the tools needed to collect specimens. To produce accurate data for scientific research. Each insect is an environmental indicator of Acadia's ecosystem health. Species inventories are essential to park management. Bio Blitzes not only produce species data, they give meaning to critical life forms and teach us how to name and value what we may have overlooked before.
We learn to truly see, to pause, to notice flora and fauna that make up this beautiful park in any season. Professionals and volunteers work together in the field during the collection phase of the species inventory. In the past decade, Bio Blitzes have focused on a wide variety of insects including ants, beetles, spiders, moths and butterflies, and aquatic insects. Terrestrial species are euthanized in jars and then pinned as museum specimens. Aquatic species are first sorted, then transferred to vials of ethanol for preservation. Individuals representing each species are preserved to help document the biodiversity of the park's ecosystem.
Just as there are generations of flora and fauna being observed in the park, multiple generations within human families have been assisting with these Bio Blitzes and passing on the sense of land stewardship so that in the future generations can enjoy Acadia's great diversity of life. The Cirque Institute is a non-profit dedicated to providing research and learning opportunities in Acadia to foster generational understanding and respect for nature.
After the collection, we move from the field to the lab for sorting specimens with the guidance of professional taxonomists, carefully identifying, labeling, and barcoding what we have found. Professionals share their passion for nature and scientific endeavor. This evolution of amateur to pro is how new scientists are born. Before you know it, volunteers have become experienced citizen scientists able to collect and record data with scientific accuracy.
One more Bio Blitz completed. Volunteers have successfully worked alongside biologists and park staff to collect valuable data. We all have gained valuable knowledge about Acadia's smaller creatures that contribute towards the larger picture. Together, the average citizen and scientist can work towards protecting these national treasures through scientific inquiry. Aldo Leopold, one of the great naturalists, said to keep every cog and wheel is the first precaution of intelligent tinkering.